Project presentation is crucial in your journey as a graphic designer. If you present your work the traditional way, clients might think you're not a good designer. So present your work in a more professional way using modern mockups. Let's go straight into more professional way to present a letter in Photoshop. In your web browser, type paper mockup. You go through dozens of images on paper mockup. These are flat images with which you would have to create your own mockup out of it. Pick anyone that you want and create your own mockup manually. Alternatively, you can go through these mockup websites. For example, this website. As you can see, we have a paper mockup here. All you need to do is click on it, and you can click on the download button here. This is the mockup I'm going to use for this tutorial. The link is in the description. Download and follow along. After the download, import it into Photoshop. It is a PSD file, so you have all layers available. To make effective use of the mockup, we will first have to create our letter. Open a new project. In your recent items, you can select A4 if you can't find it. Go to the Print tab, search A4 and click Create. You can now write your letter here. If you have one already, no problem. But if you don't, I have a template for you, which I will put in the description for you to use it. With this letter template, everything has been nicely grouped and renamed for easy identification. You can go through the layers one after the other, the letterhead, the body, and the logo. I don't need these since my letter has already been created. Now let's go to the mockup, and within the layers panel, locate letterhead. Make sure to double click on the letterhead thumbnail, and this will open the smart objects in a different tab. This is the area to place your design or create one from scratch. Click and drag your design and place it into Photoshop. Make sure to expand to fit the canvas. It's perfect now. Click on the check icon here. Now go to File and click on Save. This will save your new changes. Go back to your mockup tab and see the new changes. And that is the magic of a smart object. Remember, we will have to do same thing for the back and front of the ID cards. From the layers panel, we have the back and then the front of the ID cards. Double click on the thumbnail to open it in a new tab. Now make sure to place in your design and save it. Remember, if you don't save it, the changes won't happen in the main mockup. Double click on the front thumbnail and make sure to write your details on the front side of the card. Remember once again to save it in order to see the new changes in the main mockup. Let's go back and check on our final results. So this is how it looks. The last thing that we need to do is to change the background color. Double click on the color fill thumbnail, and with the help of the eyedropper tool, you can sample a color from your letter. You can play around with the colors, find a better color that will make your letter pop. Use this technique to present your work in a more professional way, and with that, client will always love your work and will always come back for more. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Watch other videos on this channel.